Hello everyone, I'm here with our Christmas Super Simple. We are on number 4 today. We've already done 1 and 2 and 3, and I am loving how Christmassy it is and how it's coming together. So let's go ahead and do number 4. I printed everything on a lightweight cardstock. And I've printed a neutral on the back of all the pages except for this main one. It's only 3 pages long altogether, so it's not a ton of paper and ink, and it's a very fun project. So let's go ahead and put it together. I've linked everything down below, and we can just go from there. So this page right here is a double belly band. So we're gonna have 2 mini belly bands right here. So let's go ahead and put those down. Now remember, we don't want to get close to the edge. So I bring the glue out further on this side because then it will keep things from getting too close to that edge where our our metal rings are going to be going. So that's just an extra way to keep yourself from getting things too close to where they're going to be punched when you finally punch your 3 rings in. So to do that, I just glue over about 3/4 of an inch, and I'm just eyeballing on where I place these. Hopefully I'm getting them straight. Now I did include 2 of each of these in the kit if you want to have them match, but for mine I thought it was really cute that they were different. So these are just decorations for that belly band. We have this pretty flower, and you can kind of, there's lots of options for the direction that that can face. And then we have this fun vintage ornament. So those are gonna kind of come over here. Notice I put them a hair more toward the inside. That's just because I will be centered more on our envelope later on that we're gonna put in there. So here are our envelopes. We have 2 of them. I've already folded and inked and all of that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and put these down. Coming up, and then I come down on this side. So that way I can be sure that both edges are tightly glued. All right, there's one. Here's our other one. Same thing. There we go. Now I do have some fun little cards that can go in here. So let's bring those over. There's a lot of little bits in this kit. So if you want to add some to your journaling cards, then you can. There is a little bit of room, extra room in the envelope, so you can go over that edge just a little if you like that look. I like that look, so I'm going to be doing it. And there we have very simple journal cards to go into each envelope right here. And now you have to decide if you want a more neutral look in your belly band like this, or if you want to have the pattern, oh, I glued that down, if you want to have the pattern sticking out. And either one is fine. So I think I like the neutral just because it really lets these images stand out a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with our neutral look. There we go. We can also add, if we want, little extra words onto that belly band. If you want to add something here. There's just a lot in this kit, so if you like to add extras, there's going to be plenty for you to play with. This one I'm going to keep it on the top so it can hang over the edge. So I didn't put glue where that would touch. In theory, hopefully. I'm trying to remember if I meant for these to go this direction. Oh no, no, I did not. That answers that question. I'll let that dry for a second. All right, let's start on this other page while that dries. So this is a fun little triple pocket flip out. I don't know what you'd really call it, but we're going to turn this into a pocket. So this piece comes like this. I do fold on those seams and ink. It makes it nice because I'm going to also glue there. So it makes it very visible for gluing as well. Try to stay close to the edges on this one so you have enough room. Oh wait, I remember. Never mind. You need to actually glue out here so things don't get stapled into that pocket. It's just a very shallow little pocket. And then this is going to come right here along that seam. So let me just push that down and make sure it's glued. So this is coming on this flap right here. I'm going to give that an extra one right along that edge. I'm going to come right up next to that. Trying to line things up and keep it nice. All right, so that's going to be a extra flap that's going to have some fun. We're going to do a little collage in here with that extra ornament that we have. You could also do the flowers if you want. Just make sure to keep away from that flap. And then I'm going to put a little word. And then that'll be a spot where I can do some journaling. Now I'm going to show you the trick of getting this shut. It's really fun. So we have 3 little tags that go into these pockets. And what they're going to actually end up doing is they're going to end up holding that shut. Like so. And then if we want, we can add any extra little bits along here. Keep in mind those might get a hole through them, but that's okay. They're just an ephemera for fun. There we go. All right, now if we want, we can also add a little extra to the front of any of these envelopes if you want to do a little collage there. If you want, you can add a little way to kind of seal the envelope here. I'll show you how to do that. So that's really easy. You just put glue along half, and then you're going to put that on so it's barely going over that flap. And that way you can open that envelope just like this, and then just close it down back into underneath that little flap like that. So that's a really fun way to seal those envelopes. I do have an extra flower. I might as well use it. I can put that on the front of one and do a little number collage on the other. So we can really use up a good portion of our ephemera here. Let's see, I have some more. Where did they go? There's a few others that I must have left somewhere. So I want this one here, like that. So I can use this number. I like this one. And then just a little collage here. You could use some stickers, you could do some stamping, you can use leftovers from previous kits if you want. Really, it's whatever you like at this point. And there you just have some really fun, simple envelopes to put into our little belly bands right here. So there's one. And here's the other. All right, so it's that easy. That's a really quick and easy one. Let me kind of bring that on up so you can really see the detail of those images. They're really pretty. It's a really fun kit to work with. I am gonna go ahead and give you a quick run through. So we have our 2 belly bands with our envelopes with cute little cards tucked inside and journaling on the back. And then we have our fun triple pocket that when you take out these tags, you have this fun little flap that opens up for extra journaling here. So anyway, just a fun one. We are cruising through these. I'm trying so hard to get them done before December. We'll see how we do. But stay tuned, keep watching. Check the links down below if you're interested. And we'll keep on working through. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.